Hello, and welcome to V2 Cloud Tutorials. In this quick guide, you will learn how to keep a computer running at all times. Using the control panel, you can set the computer never to sleep. Therefore, this will ensure that your computer is running all the time. Step 1. Open the control panel, click on Hardware and Sound. Step 2. Click on Power Options. Click on Change when the computer goes to sleep, located at the left panel. Step 3. Set the Put the computer to sleep to never. Click on Save Changes, and your computer will be running all the time. Using the Windows settings, you can also ensure that your computer does not go to sleep mode. Step 1. Open Settings. Under System, click on Power and Battery. Step 2. Change the Put My Device to Sleep After to Never. Changing this setting here will have the same effect as the first method. That is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.